guys, what's going on? It's Amy again with Bargain Mama and day 12 of Vlogmas and a Dollar Tree haul. So I did nothing today again, just stuff around the house, but I have a Dollar Tree haul. I'm super excited. It's from a while ago, I mean like last week, but I think it's pretty good if I remember. We'll start off with some of the baking stuff that I got first. So because I'm going to be home, well, the whole month of December, I know that I'm going to be doing a lot more baking, and usually the stores have like their cake mixes for like $10 or something, so $1 each, but I haven't seen them yet. So I did pick up some stuff just so that I have baking stuff at home so I can get started. This is just the Pillsbury chocolate fudge brownie mix, 12.9 ounces. This box looks definitely smaller than the ones I've gotten in the previous years, but it's just 1/4 cup water, 1/3 cup of oil, and 1 egg. So I do plan on making cheesecake brownies with this, so I have that one. And then I did pick up some strawberry cake mix, 15.25 ounces. And I'm going to make the crinkle cookies with those, where you just use this and whipped cream. So I'm going to make those. What is this one? And this is the yellow cake mix, 15.25 ounces. This also I plan on making the crinkle cookies with. Yellow is my favorite cake mix. Oh, that was some chocolate frosting. That's my favorite. And then I did just pick up some more parchment paper, of course. I don't know how much, but 6.1 milliliters, millimeters, I don't know. Anyways, I just picked up another thing of the parchment paper because I do also make the chocolate covered strawberries and stuff like that for my husband's work, so I just wanted to get those. Okay, so apparently I picked up quite a bit of candy. I'm going to put together some little gift baskets out of a cup. Are they in here? Hold on one second. Don't see them right this second, but I'll show you. So, you know, like the Grinch is like stink, stink, stunk, and then everybody else puts like drink, drink, drunk. Well, I got some little Dollar Tree mugs, and I'm going to put drink, drink, dunk. And it's going to say drunk, but I'm going to cross out the R, so it'll say drink, drink, dunk. And then I'm just going to put, I got some little tongs from the Dollar Tree, and I'll show you them when I see them in a minute. So I'm just going to put some stuff in the bottom. I'm going to put a little package of the Oreos in each one. So there's the 4 packs of 2 cookies per pack. It's a smaller cup. I'm trying to see because it was right here. Actually, is that it right there? Yeah. So I like this one because it's blue, so it's going to be kind of like, I have a green one too, but so it's just going to be like drink, drink, dunk. And again, I'm just going to put a thing of cookies in here. And then I picked up some candy canes, 5.3 ounces. I'm going to put a candy cane in there. And then I'll just put some little candies. How many candy canes are in here? No, it's 45 calories. 12. There's 12 in here. And then I did pick up the chocolatey shell filled with smooth caramel Palmer, 5 ounces. I picked up a bag of those, and they're Santa's, so that's why I got those. And these ones are chocolate crisps, or the double crisp, chocolatey and smooth, crisp and crunchy candy, 5 ounces also. And then I picked up 2 of the mini carnival pops, 8 counts. Sorry, I was looking to see if I was still recording. And there's just 8 in here. So I picked up these, and they're just the red and green, and some of them are circle, and some of them are the long ones. So I picked up 2 packs of those. I really wanted, I'll have to find the little tongs in a minute, but I was like, oh my gosh, like, sometimes I amaze myself. No, but I just thought it would be so cute. Drink, drink, dunk, because I'm totally still into this Oreo dunking thing. Let's just start with what's up here. Again, this, you know, I never sort out. So let's move on to these. I found these calendars. This is the Mr. Potato Head 2023 16-month wall calendar. I'm not going to use it as a wall calendar, but I saw it and I thought it was so cute. It's like a hippie Mr. Potato Head. So I had to get that. I think he's so cute. So I got that calendar. You all, this is what brought my attention to it. It is the Pets Rock 2023 calendar. And look at the dogs. Then so if you look at that side, that's all the months. Aren't they so cute? So I picked those up. Excuse me. I picked this up. I think my plan, I'm not sure yet, is, oh, there's two of them. That's why I was like, why aren't they folding down? So these are just plain, and you see it has the top right here, and then this, and this, and then it's like December 12th. So that's my plan, and maybe I'll hang it up for next year or whatever. But I just thought, like, you could make this like, you know how they have like, tree farm, hot cocoa farm, whatever. Like, you could just do these into a Christmas thing, and they're already strung together on the back. So yeah, I just thought I would do these, like I said, like Christmas tree lane, hot cocoa lane, just whatever on those. So that's what I got those for. I did pick up just these piercing and scoring tools, 2 pieces, because I cannot find mine for the life of me that go with my Cricut. So I picked those up. I picked this up, and it says keep that same energy, but I picked it up because these are plain. So I think I'm going to paint these like red and green, or I might paint them like a light blue or something. But this I like because it doesn't have a frame on the front. So I plan on, I mean, you could even leave this white. Like, this is so plain. You could leave this as B and just like put either paint or put, some cardstock or something on the back. And then I just wanted to make like a little, you know, like put a little Christmas tree down here and maybe Santa or something, and kind of make it look, not a village, what am I, like a, I can't think of what I'm thinking of, but so just putting, like a little village in here, but it's, what are those things called? I can't remember. But anyways, yeah, so putting a piece of cardstock on the back that looks like snow or something, and then maybe like gluing some snow around here and a snowman and stuff on the bottom, and then it would just look like a little village. So it'd be a sign, I don't know, like that. And then I did pick up 2 more of the little bows, because I need more for my little Arizona snowmen that I'm in love with. So I got those. And there's 2 of them. What are you doing? The dog. There must be something in here because he is really trying to get over here. What's in this one? I did pick up 2 more of these. I've gotten these before, but I think these are an amazing deal. And they're just the universal 7-8 inches folio case. And it's a hard case, but again, I don't plan on using these for an iPad or anything. Like, I think these are amazing to use as like a junk journal cover or like a planner cover or something. Super simple to get like the paper in here. I showed you guys on another video. So I'm going to use these as like planner covers and stuff. So I got 2 of those. And then I want to do a project, and I want to see if you watched one of my other videos, I found the heat transfer vinyl at the Dollar Tree. And so I just want to see if that will work on these. And these are just the little clear white, they're called tote bags. And they're just white. You can tie dye them or do whatever you want. But I wanted to see how well the heat transfer vinyl would work on here. And so I just picked up a couple of those, and I'm going to do that project this week, and I'll let you guys know how it goes. Okay. I know I'm going kind of fast. You know, a little tired. I did pick these up for me and my son, Whack-A-Pack balloons. We've never gotten them, so there's 4 of them in here. I just thought they were cute, so we're gonna try these this week, just for fun. So there's 4 in there. I did just pick up the Crafter Square double-sided tape. I needed more for some of the crafts I'm doing. Picked up this because, so these are from 2 different stores, because I picked the little piercing tools up before I found this. So this is the Craft Picker. Again, it is for my Cricut to remove the little pieces of vinyl. And I did pick these up because I have not seen these in a while, and they're just the little cutting boards, and it's a bamboo cutting board, 1 piece. I don't know how big it is, but I picked up 3 of them because these you can just use for anything. You can use them for mini charcuterie boards. I want to use them for mini dessert charcuterie boards to put some bananas and some apples and some grapes and strawberries, and then like some chocolate and maybe some whipped cream dip and all that in the middle. And I just think those would be fun for us to use one night. So I picked up 3. Again, like I cannot hardly ever find these. So I picked those up. I was pretty excited about this. This is a 5-piece Hollywood Expressions mini tweezer set. So they all say Hollywood on them, and they're all differently shaped. I don't know. I just thought they were awesome, and I really liked it for $1.25. I thought that was great. So there's 4 little tweezers in there, and it comes in that cute case. So I picked those up. Let me see that bag. Oh, that bag is heavy. Wait, is that bag for here? I think I already showed you guys this bag. No, these are just the clear glass bowls because they are going to go with another project I'm doing. I'll show you guys later, but it's going to be peekaboo cut bowls that like it's going to have like Merry Christmas and stuff, and you only see it like when you're done eating your cereal or whatever, you know, and maybe I'll put some fabric Mod Podge on them. I don't know, but they're just the clear bowls from the Dollar Tree. And then, it broke. I had 2. I now have 1. Great. I knew that was a dumb idea. Hold on. Now I don't want everything else. That was so dumb. You see how concerned my husband is. Okay. I dropped a whole bowl down there. And it broke.
Okay.
Yeah. Don't let the dog spell. No.
No.
I picked this up. They're just 3 6.75 fluid ounces for my youngest son. They're just the Sunny D's. I picked up 2 more of the white glue 0.8 fluid ounces because, again, I'm doing more of my little Arizona snowman, and so I needed more glue to dip the fabric in, or the twine in. So I did that. And then I did, so here we are to my piece that I am liking now. So here are the little tongs. And so, yeah, the cookies are over there. Let's not touch anything over there. It's a mess. So, like I said, I'm just going to put these in here like that with a thing of the cookies, a candy cane, and then maybe some chocolates. And it's say drink, drink, dunk. So I thought that was a really cute idea. So again, and they can just use their little tongs to do their cookies. It's just fun. They don't have to use them. So, excuse me, I did pick up 4 of the little mini tongs to do that. I picked these up for my son, just the chili and lime tiaras. There's 5 packs in here. And yeah, they're like 1 ounce each or something. So that's fine. Because if not, if we get a bag of chips every now and then, like they're gone and they're in his room, and so he'll just eat them like night. I'm like, no, that was for everyone. I did pick up just some pretzel sticks, 9 ounces from Snyder's, because I need to make chocolate dipped pretzels for Christmas. I think this is a good buy. I don't know. This is good until March of 2025. And it is just the natural cocoa, 4 ounces. And again, stuff is so expensive at the store, so I did just pick this up to make like brownies and stuff like that. So there's that. I picked up a thing of the Martha White Blueberry Mix, just to add eggs, 7 ounces, since I am home in the mornings with my youngest son now, just to make him something for breakfast. And then I picked up the Wild Berry, 7 ounces, again, just to make it really quick. And these are super simple. Like, you literally put this in a bowl, put the milk in a bowl, and they're done. And you make them. So I'll make those for my son in the mornings. And then, is this the last thing? I think these are the last 2 things. No, this. So I found this. It's a felt flower kit. It's 2 flowers and 5 leaves, and it includes 1 glue. So I had not seen this before. They had one that was white, I believe, also, but the flowers were white. So first of all, this is the super glue they sell in a package by itself for $1.25 there. So there's that. And then I guess you just like take your little felt flower, and then like they have the 2 different color leaves. Let me show you. So they have the dark green and light green, and then I guess like you just make your own thing and then glue it. I don't know, but I think that's such a cute idea. And I mean, you don't have to use them all together. Maybe you want these for something else and you want these for something, and then you have super glue. So I just thought it was a really cute little idea, so I picked that up. And then the last two things, I thought I had seen these like 2 years ago at the Dollar Tree, but I cannot remember. I picked these up, and they are the Crafter Square by Simplicity, which is like a name brand or whatever pattern thing, whatever, for sewing. It's an easy apron sewing project. And so this is what it is, and it says the supplies is the fabric. Is that what you need? Like, what's in here is what I'm trying to figure out in here. It says fabric, sewing machine or needle and thread. Optional is an iron, pins, scissors, pen or pencil, ruler, paper, and tape. So what's in here? Oh, just the pattern itself. Okay. So this just tells you how to make it. Oh, yeah, that's not worth it. I thought that it had like the apron in it and that you like just had to sew it on. Not worth it. Let's see if this is the same way. So that says apron, and this says tote. So I'm sure it's going to be the same thing. Yeah. I don't think it's worth it because, I mean, I wanted it just to be easy for me. So again, it is just another, just the instructions on how to do it. So what's it say? Tape the front and back pieces together, matching stars. Oh no, that is too much work for me. No, these will be going into, oh no, these will be going into friend mail. That is too much for me. So that's what happens when you don't know what you're buying. But I think it was like 2 years ago or something that they actually had these, and it was in here and you just had to put it together. But now this is just the pattern. What am I going to do with the pattern? Do I look like Betsy Ross? No, I can't do it. No. Anyways, isn't it Betsy Ross? I hope so. Or I just look like a total idiot. Anyways, not a big fan of these ones. Total bust. And now I have a mess to clean up. So I hope you guys have a great day. I know this video's up late. I'm really sorry. But I still made it on the same day. So I'll talk to you later. Bye, guys. Okay, I didn't push stop again. Hold on again.